Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today is Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Round 3 is nice, you all. The name of this one is called Tina Dial 539. Very nice looking watch face, a fun watch face, a everyday watch face, and a summertime watch face. Now in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice, unique analog watch face look. When the watch face is on, you're going to get your digital time in 24 hours. You're also going to get an analog look. Now, if you're looking at the moon in the background, it just doesn't sit in one place. Depending on the time, it rotates across the sky just like it does in real life. So when the sun starts to come up, you can see the sunrise all the way till it hits 12 noon, all the way till it goes down in the evening. This is a very unique, creative watch face. I'm going to get a developer 2 thumbs up on this one. And with that, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, hit the like button on the way out. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this watch face is free. Check it out in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to see more videos like this, to make sure you hit the notification bell. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.